welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be using Jesmonite AC100 and we're going to be making some coasters today which were inspired by these ones I've made before. These were a set of 4 square terrazzo coasters that I made with Jesmonite, and then these have been top coated with resin as well. And I got a new mould which was a set of 4 round coasters which came with a holder, so I thought I would give these a go. So I've got the moulds, and what you will also need is the scales. I'm going to be using some resin 8 Jesmonite pigment. I'm going to be using the white. I've got a jug for measuring, a silicone whisk and a silicone spatula just for scraping the sides and scooping out, and I've just got a little lid which I use to scoop. So in here I'm just measuring out the Jesmonite and the liquid and the powder, and then getting out my pigment. I'm going to be using the white like I said previous, and in this coaster that I decided to use, it was this breakfast tea, which is like a loose tea. So that's what I'm going to be firstly placing inside the mould, sprinkling it in, and then I will also put some inside the Jesmonite as I pour it in. So I'll just sprinkle what I thought looked right, mix that in. When you mix in the powder, I mix it in small patches, or small batches should I say, so that you get a good mix, it doesn't all just clump. And make sure you mix that well. I'm adding some white pigment, mix it well, and then let's add the Jesmonite to the coasters. I'll let you just watch that. So here is a close-up of the coasters. You can see, I don't know if you can see in there that it's a different effects on different coasters. You could probably sand it, but there were little holes in there where the granules of the tea, and some of the coasters had different thickness, etc. So that's why I just wanted to sort of even it out. I don't know if it was the mould, it was a bit warped, so I didn't get an even coaster. And there, can you see there's the tea, there were some areas where the tea was like spilling out, so because of that I decided I actually needed to put not just a Jesmonite top coat, sealer on it, but I wanted to put a resin top coat to protect that tea not to come out. So to start with it looked fine, it was giving it a nice glossy finish, but you'll see with the end result that there was a bit of a yellow stain coming out of some of the tea, which the liquid of the resin, or the moisture of it, just made the tea seep out a bit. Maybe it adds to the effects, but let me know. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, if you've got any ideas of how you would improve this technique or anything else you've added in. Here you can see the yellow staining on the coasters. But anyway guys, this was just a quick video. I filmed this last summer and I finally have uploaded it here for you. But thanks for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.